Audio Jungle.
What I think is important to look at is the evolution of the online ecosystem over the last 20 years. There's been a shift where in 2006, the era was really just be found on Google, right? So you wanted to have your business be found when somebody was searching your business name or searching your category. In 2016, a decade later, that evolved again, and it was the be everywhere. Multiple search engines, Google, Bing, Yelp, Apple Maps, Facebook, social media, YouTube, and it was really the be multiple places and really build trust in terms of reviews, that type of era. We're now entering a new era of how customers find our businesses, and it's the be chosen by AI era. And all the things that you have been doing over the course of the last 10, 20 years to help your business be found on Google and be found everywhere, what I think is really important is that that actually helps your business in the AI search results. So if you've been doing a lot of these things, your effort isn't, going to waste. It's actually continuing to help you. But a lot of businesses ask like, well, how can I be found in some of these AI searches? So I'll be talking about that today. So what is AI? What are they doing to start to change the consumer search experience? The benefit of AI is that it gives you answers very, very quickly. And if you think about Google and how Google has became a really important search engine for people, and I'm going to Google it. Now it's a lot of I'm going to chat it, right? It's my kids have a new phrase when they're talking about looking things up, and so Google is incredibly important in terms of the AI search results. But why is AI important? Is because it gives you answers and detailed information very quickly, and it gives you more information that you are searching for as a consumer. What's important to note is that those AI summaries now often appear above traditional organic results. Consumers might only read that summary, never scrolling to the links. Now, what's important to know is those links are actually important to feed that AI search results at the top of, Copilot, anything with Apple Intelligence. Consumers' click-through patterns are changing and business owners need to be ready. So search queries are becoming longer, right? There's more detailed information that gives you the answer right on at your fingertips. Search answers are becoming more detailed. Why are they doing that? It's because people actually want more information about a business instead of having to click more to find information. AI makes those answers more intent responsive and intentionally that zero click. So you find all the information in one spot. So with what we do at AMP, we're actually perfectly positioned to help family-owned businesses win and grow in this evolved landscape. And I'm going to talk to you about how you can help your business. So what I want to actually start with is some examples. We did some screenshots of a regular search result on Google and then the generative search result, the AI search result, looking at Gemini. So when you typically would type in laundromat in Martin, Tennessee, you're going to find a business showing up like the search results of the local laundromats. The Laundry Co., Martin, Len Haven, Supercoin Laundry are showing up here. And that's still important because consumers are still clicking on that. There's statistics behind it. Like a lot of consumers are going to still look for that information. But if you think about what the generative search result's going to get kickback is laundromats with industrial sized washers in Martin, Tennessee, right? So people are able to type in more specific information, and this generative search result, and I'm going to read this for you because I know it's probably hard to see and some of you might be on your phones or driving, but the result shows if you are looking for industrial size high capacity washers in Martin to tackle massive loads, comforters, or bulky items, your primary option in town is the Laundry Co., also known as Martin Laundry. Here are the details for your trip. This is the main dedicated self-service laundromat opening right in the heart of Martin. It is a well-established facility designed to handle heavy-duty loads. It gives the location and it describes the equipment. They feature large capacity, commercial grade Dexter commercial washers and dryers. These industrial machines are built to handle multiple loads at once, making quick work of king size comforters, rugs, or full week's worth of family laundry. And then it lists all the amenities, right? So what this is doing is, for that, mom who can't fit her comforter in her own washer and she's looking for a laundromat to help solve that problem, it's going to list all that. So she doesn't have to call or look for more information or go to other businesses. The business that can spit back those results is way more likely to get that a call or get that consumer to show up to their business to use their services. So this is an example on Gemini. Copilot, you're probably familiar with Bing. Anybody who uses Microsoft products are very familiar with Copilot as well, but this is, Bing's AI. So this is a good example, similar to what the Google AI results are showing, or Gemini. So your search would be laundromat in Ogden, Utah. Here's who show up in your typical search engine results on Bing. The generative search is going to give more information about the business in a more detailed manner. So I don't need to read these all to you. I think you get the gist of it.